Welcome everyone back to Health and Hydration. We're here with Ken and Odette today. They bought their machine back in November, December last year, so they've had it for a while. And they wanted to share some of the things that they've enjoyed with the Kangen water. They've both got different experiences, so they're going to share that with us. Maybe you can start, Ken.
Sure, happy to. I'd say from what I was expecting some health benefits for myself. So certainly one of the interests was the elimination of, or the possible elimination of inflammation and joint pain that I was having. And I can say that after a couple months of drinking the water, I noticed that my joints and the aches and pains certainly had subsided. I think there's a good likelihood that it's attributed to Kangen water and what it's done. So, we fill up 9.5, probably about 8 canisters during a day, and we're drinking more water actually because I think of the Kangen machine. So not only we're drinking the 9.5 frequency, but we're also drinking the.
We're making tea.
We're making tea. So
yeah.
I guess
just having the tea, you see it absorb all the herbs and the flavor of the tea. It just
does it look darker?
It does look darker.
Absolutely.
So just the benefits of knowing that you're getting all that into your tea and it's helping for whatever
the taste and the homeopathics, right? Both of them, yeah, absolutely.
My wife noticed, she would put 2 tea bags in, and she had to take one out in her pot because it was too strong.
Yeah, so you can
see the same thing.
Yeah.
Cool.
So the pH, I said frequency earlier, but I meant the pH. In terms of the pH and being able to change things around, I think the surprise for me was I was expecting the drinking benefits.
Yeah. But
the surprise for me was the different bottles that you can use, and you can change the pH around. So the 6.0 we use for plants, and in terms of taking a look at some of the plants that we wanted to grow, and we now have our garden. When we started from seeds, and as we read about it, they were recommending a different pH than what comes out of the tap. So we saw a benefit, and we've got some really great plants in the garden this summer, probably better than if we had used something else. So that was a great benefit. And the other one too is the 2.5, the sanitizer and the disinfectant. We use this instead of a lot of harsh chemicals.
Yeah.
And so just that whole piece, and spraying our counter down, or even using them in the bathrooms and the sinks, no longer having that aerosol smell, that really strong smell. And then not the abrasiveness on the hands. You can use it. You can use this stuff without having to worry about putting rubber gloves on or having that burning sensation afterwards with some of the cleaning products, right? So we've been really happy with it. And if we had the opportunity to do it all over again, we'd buy a machine again.
So you think for the investment, a lot of people kind of balk at the price, that it was it was worth the investment?
Well, listen, we knew about Kangen for some period of time, and it did take us a while to come to that realization that we should be spending this amount of money on water. I mean, when you think about the amount of water you put into your body on a regular basis, and how important that is, and what price do you put on feeling healthy and feeling good? Yeah. What price do I want to pay on in terms of getting rid of my aches and pains?
Yeah.
Right. I mean, it's sometimes hard to go, I want to make that investment because you can't see it, or you can't drive it, or you can't play with it. But this allows you to do all those things, I think, with a little bit more joy, because you can enjoy those activities because of the benefits the water brings.
Yeah. And it's probably my biggest challenge is that was one of the first things I experienced, because I had sore joints from breaking my wrist. Yeah. And you tell people that, and there's always that skepticism. So it's really nice to hear from you that you've experienced the same thing, and it's different for every people. It's everyone has their own issues in their body, and the body tends to go and correct what's the biggest issue first. So nice to hear that your joints are.
And now we're hydrated.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There you go.
Well, I appreciate you coming on tonight, and thanks for your time.
If
anyone's interested, click Kangen or type Kangen in the comments, and we can get you more information. Thanks for watching.